Alright, it's mandatory for me to do another video because I got stuff in the mail today. I've been waiting for this figure for seemingly over 30 years. Over 35 years. Yes, I got in the mail today Mumm-Ra, the mail-away one from the Thundercats, LJN, 1986. He actually came packaged also in the Mumm-Ra playset. And you had to get six points, six Thundercat points, where you had to cut off the back of the package there. 2 points for each figure. I think 4 points for a vehicle and 5 for a playset. So you either had to get 3 figures or a vehicle, 1 figure, but you get your Mumm-Ra there. I don't remember. For my research, I didn't see how much it actually cost, how much proof of purchase, all that. It said 1 to 6 months. Remember that, where you had to wait that long? By the time you got it, you forgot about it. You're already in puberty. It took me a while to finally get this, but look, he's in like damn near perfect condition. The only little flaw on him is slight little paint chips right there. Got him pretty cheap. Got him for 31 and change. Here's my tip. There's a bunch of them on eBay. Some prices were high for complete ones, because this is the one I actually wanted a complete. Most of the time I never get complete figures. I'll show you some incomplete figures I got in a bit. Get a real close up on his staff there. Look at him like that. Look at him like that. Turn them all around. Nice paint on them. I am Mumm-Ra. I wanted to complete him with the staff, because I thought the staff looked really cool. 31 bucks. If you want them without the staff, you can get them for like 12 bucks, 15 bucks all day. With all the Satanism in them. Watch, like, click on all of them, put them all on your eBay watch. Somebody's gonna send you an offer. And I got like 2-3 offers. This one was the one in the best condition. I double checked this time. I got screwed a few times lately by not looking. The picture's too close. Looking on my phone. No, I put them on the computer, blew up the pictures. Looked at them like that. He's probably cleaned them up a little bit. He's a little dusty, but he came in very perfect mint condition. He's only got the little 3 points of articulation. I don't mind that. I like that. I like the fact that he's just a cool looking figure. He's completely not in scale with Lion-O, but if you saw the other Mumm-Ra, the original one that comes with him, the monster looking one, I think he's even bigger than him. This is not my original Lion-O for back in the day. They're all lost through the passage of time in the garbage somewhere. I only had Lion-O, I only had Panthro, Mumm-Ra, and Tiger, I forget his name. Came with either Wily Kit, Wily Cat, one of the two of them. I haven't watched the show in a million years. Everything about it, I completely forgot. I reacquired him for only about 10 bucks. So that was a good deal. I don't really care about the original Mumm-Ra. I didn't really like that figure. I wanted this one, because I always wanted this. Since I only had a few figures, I never had enough points to get that. And I got Lion-O and Mumm-Ra soon as they came out, before the cartoon was even on. I remember in the toy store, my mom even pointed them out to me. She says, "Oh, look at these. These are probably going to be big. You should get them now." And I was like, "Well, they're kind of cool." She sold them on me. I didn't even have to say, "Hey, go get me this." No, she's like, "You're probably going to like these." Because we already went through the He-Man stuff, all that stuff, where, you know, you're searching for the next hot new figure. Couldn't find them on the shelves. I was in on them before the damn cartoon hit. Yeah, I don't think in the very early releases they had the little offer to buy mail-away Mumm-Ra figure. So I only got like 2 figures later on. We never got the 3rd figure in order to get the little mail-away thing. I wanted like I forgot all the damn characters' names. I wanted a hyena dude. I wanted that lizard guy. Like, you know, Mumm-Ra's 2 main henchmen. Never got them. But then I didn't really get that much of it. There's so many toys in '86. I was still hardcore into G.I. Joe. That was still my number one. Wasn't so hot into Transformers, but I got back into them a little bit later. That's when I also started to get into baseball cards, Garbage Pail Kids, 86. Probably still into Voltron then, too. A lot of stuff out there hard to get. But my original Lion-O, he was long gone. Wonder where that is. Where in this universe is he now? What garbage pile, what garbage dump? What happened to him? But I like these figures, like the not so articulated ones, things in robes, because reminds me of the Emperor. Although he still had all 5 points. Look at that. They sculpted his weird legs to move like that. His head's real stiff on there. And then we got Hagar the Witch. Only thing I had, only her arm and her head moves. This is from Voltron. I like stuff like this. You know, I like to sculpt my own action figures, stuff like I want to try something like a figure in a robe and put only 2 points of articulation. Me trying to manufacture 5 and 7 points, forget it. Hey, watch my custom videos. You want to hear what I'm blabbing about right now. That is pretty sweet. I'm so happy to get it. Look at how I got this. I pulled them out of the box. I got in the mail. I was like, where's the staff? Because I didn't see a staff. It was packed with this weird. Yeah, they would smell like they were partying. That's weed in there. Came with a beta disc. I thought they were just using it to, keep the packaging sturdy, get rid of their garbage. It said, staff, don't throw this away. I was thinking, wasn't hitting me when I was looking. I first looked at it. I was taking Mumm-Ra out of the box. Staff, don't. I thought it was what, the video store staff. Don't throw this box away. No, it was in there. And that's some packaging. I never even seen a beta in real life. Because it's smaller than a regular VHS tape. I'm gonna keep this. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I just like garbage. I'm gonna end up on an episode of Hoarders. That's all I want to say. Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Come on. I'll entertain you next time. We got more figures. I'll talk about figures like this. I'll talk about the Emperor and boom, 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 boom. Thank you for watching.